Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to turn on Discord's mobile overlay feature so you can see who's talking without leaving your game or app. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips. First, open the Discord app and head over to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're in your profile, you'll need to open Settings. To do this, tap on the gear icon near the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Voice section. Tap on it to open the Audio settings. Here, look for an option called Enable Mobile Voice Overlay. This feature, when activated, allows you to see an overlay with speaker icons showing who's currently talking in a voice channel. Now toggle the switch next to Enable Mobile Voice Overlay to turn it on. You may see a quick permissions prompt to allow Discord to overlay other apps. If so, be sure to grant these permissions to activate the feature fully. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.